It's Hannah again. We're gonna show the jewelry from our Heart and Healing set. Now each piece is completely unique because they are made of semi-precious stones, and ours consist of rhodonite and rose quartz. So first I'm going to show you this absolutely beautiful bracelet. As you can see, some have some different coloring in them, and there's a nice little charm on it that says made with love because all of our products are made with love. And along with the bracelet you can get these beautiful earrings. Let me grab both of those now. And as you can see, they are just precious. And the same thing, coloring can be different in each one because each stone is different. Now, if you decide that this is something that you would like to have and you order our complete set, you get this free gift bag to come with it, which you can keep your skincare line in for travel, or you can put cosmetics in it. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.